how to learn spoken English in 15th days. Will you take this challenge? Have you this kind of intention to learn spoken English? Many people say that take challenge 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. Today in this video I will express there you can take it. You can take it with a challenge. There is 15 days. You can take it easily. So many learners, they are very confused. Which technique, which path is suitable for them? If you a beginner, if you want to learn spoken English, definitely you should take a challenge to learn it. If you think that I will learn this language with a easy way, there will present a challenge. So I will give you 15th days challenge. You are zero level. You have minimum vocabulary. You have minimum grammatical rule. You know structure. Then you can't speak. You can't open your mouth. First 5 days of 15 days, you have to listen and you have to think in English. Don't translate. Every time, everywhere, you can stay. You have to think in direct English. Even if it is broken, then you should not leave your chance. You have to take it with a challenge. So first 5 days you have to listen randomly. Simultaneously you have to try to speak. You have to try think in yourself which kind of sentence, which kind of method has been used there, which kind of vocabulary is used there. So after spending your 5 days, you will watch sentence structure. You will watch minimum or normal grammar rule is used there. So after 5 days you will get minimum confidence in yourself. Next second 5 days you have to open your mouth for speaking. You have to start small sentence. You have to speak with minimum or normal sentence. There can be, I will go to market. I am doing my work right now. I have to go for my work, this kind of normal sentence you can use, you can speak by your own mouth. So after speaking small sentence by your own mouth, your intention will boost, your confidence will boost you to speak more and more. So second 5 days you have to speak little sentence in yourself, and third 5 days you have to explain random subject. You can lift a topic, then you can start your express by using normal vocabulary and simple grammar rules. So easy subject you have to take to fulfill your challenge. There can be your daily routine. Which time do you wake up from your bed? After leave your bed, which kind of work do you follow? You can explain by your own word. After leaving my bed, I wash my mouth, I wash my teeth. Next, I go to take my tea or coffee. After finishing this initial work, I get ready to go my field, to go my office. So like this way you can express your daily routine using by simple and easy vocabulary or grammar. So if you want to start your journey, if you want to be a good English speaker, but you are in zero level, you can't think that where will you start your journey, which path should you follow there. I will give you this 15 days challenge. If you start your journey like this, definitely you will get much confidence in yourself. After 10 days, after 10 days, you will watch your grow. You will watch your interest with spoken English will be grown gradually. So spoken English process is not a hard process. When a beginner goes to start their journey, initial time it is think very hard. It is not right. It is right if we try to do something about spoken English. Spoken English will help much to you. So if you take this challenge, I hope your English speaking intention or interest will be rise day by day. So how to learn spoken English with 15 days. I have shared my minimum knowledge because I have started my journey from zero level. I was full blank. I would not know minimum grammatical rule, but I would know minimum vocabulary. I have stuck minimum vocabulary. Then I could not speak English. After spending my precious time in this purpose, today you are watching now. I can speak English a little bit. So if this video is minimum valuable to you, if you find some valuable tips, if you are a learner, if you want to learn spoken English, so stay with me and practice with me. Follow this 15-day challenge. Definitely you will reach your destination. So that word I would say every time. Stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do your valuable comment in the comment box. So I will see you in the next video.